Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Fur Flex back here again with another video, man. Yo, today. Yo, my boy is serious. Nah, yo, today's the day, man. I made a post yesterday saying the bags was coming, man. And what happened? Them shits came, my boy. Hold on. We'll get into this shit, man. Unbox this thing, man. I thought I'd wait for the other box to come with the management. But we just gonna go ahead and unbox this one for now, though, because why not, man? I gotta get some content out for you guys. Goddamn, how the hell? Oh, this is how I got it. Well, I don't want to show my address. So Hey, man, I've been waiting for this moment forever, guys. You don't understand, man. How long I've been waiting, Ranks?
Sheesh.
30 years, right?
Oh, 3 months, brother.
Nah, that was 2.
2.5.
Oh, they give me license plate brackets too, great. What the hell? Boy, it says, yeah, man, you need bags, man. Oh, boy, let me get glasses. Boy. Watch out there. They give me eyeglasses, the pussy card. They use the bolts to hold the bags in place. Just push it in. Bombo card. Air freshener. Bombo card. Good. Yeah.
Sheesh.
Brand new Air Force One, man. Yo. It's fucking lit. It's fucking lit, nigga. We outside with it, Greek. Let's see the back. Yo, Eli, yo, sign right, can't come on the belly in the dog. I tell you in the dog. On the belly, it's going on. I'm going to go say, it's going to say, boop. Then I'm going to say, boom, walk out for about the care, what's a dog? I'm going to say, oh, ear suspension, man. Get you one. And then we got the fucking, this the strut. Get back, I got to screw this shit all the way down. Oh. Fully adjustable with outside, not the girl them outside. It's lit, nigga. It's lit, nigga. So this is a quick little unboxing, bro. I'm debating, should I put the Airtekk license plate frame on? Or keep my broke license plate frame? Oh god, man, I can't believe it. Can't believe it already came, bro. I done went through everything. Checked out the rear bags. Struts, everything mint, brother. This just waiting now. I guess this is how it goes for everybody in their order bags. They get one of the packages first, but with the management, Airtekk said they had missing parts, so that's why that's not here yet. So whenever that comes, I'm gonna upload this video tonight. It just came today. It's Friday. I'm gonna upload this video tonight, and hopefully, Broke East is next Sunday, the 21st. Today's the 12th, so hopefully, I'm praying that the management comes before Wednesday next week, because Wednesday is my next day off. Because it's not gonna come. I don't think they're opening Saturday or Sunday, so it's not gonna come tomorrow if it didn't ship today. Unless it does ship today, or I don't know. We're gonna see. You guys are gonna know first when it happens. Hopefully, it comes before Wednesday, guys. Let's pray for me that it comes before Wednesday, Because if it comes before Wednesday, I can spend my whole day off Wednesday installing the bags, and the boy will be outside. So stay tuned for that. I'm over here wheezing. I spoke it. I'm over here wheezing and whatnot. But comment, like, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the next one, man. We out there, man. Peace.